Namaskar students. In the previous class we have studied about the statement of factor theorem. Now we'll be doing questions based on factor theorem. We have already studied that factorization of polynomials is possible by two methods, by splitting the middle term and by factor theorem. Splitting the middle term we have already studied, now by factor theorem. So we'll be doing one question, factorization using factor theorem. Suppose my polynomial is x square minus x minus 2. I need to find out the factors using factor theorem. So I will see my constant term here. My constant term is 2. So factors of 2 can be plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. 2 जिस से divide होता है, I will write down the numbers here. So it's plus minus 1 plus minus 2. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check for the whole. So I'm going to check first with the 1, then I will check with minus 1, then I will check with 2, and then I will check with minus 2. So first I will check for 1. So P1 by hit and trial method. So it's 1 square minus 1 minus 2. 1 ka square is 1. 1 minus 1 minus 2 is minus 2. I'm not getting a 0. So that means I can say that x minus 1 is not a factor. Since P1 hai, so x minus 1 is not a factor. It's a hit and trial method basically. So plus 1 is not a factor, x minus 1 is not a factor. So I will check for minus 1. So P of minus 1. P of minus 1 I will find out minus 1 ka square minus of minus ka 1 minus 2. So I will get 1 plus 1 minus 2, which is 2 minus 2 equals 0. So that means P minus 1 is 0. If P minus 1 is 0, I can say that x plus 1, because minus 1 it is equals to 0, hence x plus 1 is a factor of Px. So I've got one factor, that is x plus 1. Another factor I need to find out by again hit and trial method. So I'll check for plus 2 first. So P of 2 I will find out. 2 ka square minus 2 minus 2. 2 ka square is 4. Minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So P2 equals 0. That means x minus 2 is a factor of Px. Since it's a quadratic polynomial, so I'll get two factors. I have got my two factors, x plus 1 and x minus 2. So there is no need of checking of minus 2. So the two factors by factor theorem is x plus 1, x minus 2. We can apply this method in our cubic, degree 4 polynomial, degree 5 polynomial, but it's a very lengthy process. So for quadratic we'll always apply by splitting the middle term because it's the easier one. This we can apply this is by hit and trial method. Cubic also will find out one factor by factor theorem, then we'll apply another method which we'll see in the factorization of cubic polynomial. Now again one more question on factor theorem. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of f4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. It has been already given that x minus 1 is a factor. If x minus 1 is a factor of this term, then I can say that p1 is equals to 0 because x minus 1 is a factor. So p1 equal to 0. p1 is equals to 4 1 ka cube plus 3 1 ka square minus 4 into 1 plus k, and it is equals to 0, so equal to 0. So that means 1 ka cube is 1, 4 into 1 will be 4, 1 ka square is 1, so 3 into 1 will be 3, minus 4 into 1 will be 4, plus k equals 0. 4 se 4 will get cancelled, plus 3 plus k equals 0, so k is equals to minus 3. So the value of k which I need to find out here is minus 3. Girls, remember it, if x minus 1 is a factor, then we need to find out p1.